I went to IFA Berlin and joined Samsung's press event where the Galaxy Tab S11 was introduced. Excitement was instant, so I bought one for myself and have been using it over the past couple of weeks. Today, I'm sharing my experience with subscribers and regular viewers, explaining why this tablet feels almost perfect, what makes it stand out, and where improvements could make it even better. Well, if you end up liking this video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Kicking things off with the essentials, specs begin with the Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset paired with 12GB of RAM and storage options from 128GB up to 512GB. The body measures 5.5mm thin, weighing under 470 grams, while housing a big 8400 mAh battery. Cameras include a 13MP rear sensor and a 12MP ultra-wide front camera. Inside the box, Samsung includes the S Pen free of charge, a generous addition compared to many competitors. For expanded productivity, a book cover keyboard case is available, enabling the Tab S11 to transform into a portable workstation with ease. Moving from numbers to feel, design refinements make the Tab S11 stand out in the 11-inch category. At just 5.5mm, it feels razor thin while maintaining a sturdy aluminum frame. Weight sits under 470 grams, striking a balance between durability and portability. Slim bezels keep the profile sleek, while an IP68 rating adds peace of mind against dust and water exposure. Here, I use it with the book cover keyboard case, but if you wanna use it with different type of cases, then there are plenty of productive cases available on the market. The 11-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display takes center stage, offering 2560 by 1600 resolution with a 120Hz refresh rate. Brightness peaks near 1600 nits, maintaining visibility under harsh studio light, where ensuring vibrant color, deep contrast, and immersive HDR playback. From casual streaming to professional use, this screen consistently impresses. The compact form factor enhances usability. Slightly thicker bezels improve grip. Okay, I'm not defending Samsung. Yeah, I'd also like to have a tablet with thinner bezels, but I think this bezel is okay for me. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments section. Well, I need to mention that this one comes without any anti-reflection coating. Yeah, that's available on the Ultra models, but even without that, the Tab S11 maintains clarity and exceptional brightness. I believe for an 11-inch tablet, this display sets a new standard. Of course, visuals need power to back them up, and the Galaxy Tab S11 delivers. Gaming feels effortless thanks to the Dimensity 9400 Plus processor paired with a 120Hz AMOLED panel. Demanding titles run at high settings with smooth, stable frame rates, and the large thermal design keeps heat under control even during extended sessions. Running Genshin Impact showcases the hardware well, with smooth combat, detailed environments, and responsive controls, making the 11-inch display feel perfect for extended handheld sessions. Visuals remain sharp, touch response is immediate, and the overall experience rivals portable consoles. When it comes to professional use, the 12GB of RAM ensures fluid performance across heavy applications. Multiple applications can stay active simultaneously without slowing down. Animations remain smooth, applications load quickly, and switching between tasks feels seamless. This level of responsiveness makes the Tab S11 more than just entertainment. It's built for productivity. Okay, performance is complemented by sound. With quad speakers creating an immersive stage. Clear mids, clean vocals, and a rounded bass make this slim 11-inch device sound surprisingly full.
Yeah, she might be pretty, but I promise it gets scary. When she wants your daddy and she finds out where you live. Creeping in the shadows, eating poisoned apples. She's nothing like you ever seen.
Keeping all this running is an 8400 mAh battery that powers both work and play. With efficient hardware and AMOLED optimization, screen time extends well beyond a full day. Support for 45-watt charging minimizes downtime, quickly preparing the Tab S11 for the next session. Bringing everything together, the Galaxy Tab S11 unites premium design, an impressive AMOLED display, reliable performance, and practical accessories into one cohesive package. With the S Pen included and keyboard case support, versatility reaches new levels. This 11-inch flagship shows how far Samsung has refined the tablet experience without compromise. Well, I'm gonna give away this tablet to one of my subscribers. What you have to do to join this giveaway is to share your thoughts and ideas about this Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 in the comments section. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.